Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you my attempt to create a COVID-19 tracker app and the reason why it didn't go as planned. Now the reason I started working on this project is because Integromat, which is an amazing service that I use all the time to integrate applications together and create really powerful workflows, has released this module right here called COVID-19. And this is a really powerful module that basically allows you to get up-to-date numbers of all the cases of COVID-19 around the world. You can get the cases for the global numbers, you can get the cases per country. It's really powerful, and they're also doing it for free. Like every time you run this module, it doesn't count towards the total operations of the workflow, right? So it's completely free, and that's super amazing. So what I wanted to do is basically create a simple app where I can have a global tracker to list all the numbers of cases globally. And then I also wanted to have a page where I can list all the countries in the world and then have all the numbers of cases for that specific country. And I got pretty close. I created the whole workflow. It works fine. However, one thing that is really stopping me from publishing this is how expensive it is to run. And in this video, I'm going to explain why it's so expensive. So currently here we have, let me go through the workflow so you guys understand how this works. So every once an hour, right, every 60 minutes, this flow runs, right? And I thought that would be an appropriate amount of time to update the numbers, every once an hour. So what happens every once an hour, we get the global current numbers, right? And what I do is I update a row on my spreadsheet, and let me actually show you the spreadsheet here. So this is the row, this is the spreadsheet for the global numbers. So basically every once an hour, I update this row with all the current global numbers, right? So I go to the row, this is the global tracker sheet, and I update all the numbers, right? Super cool. This is just one operation. So this is free. This is one operation, that's it. The problem starts when we actually start updating the sheet with all the countries. And the reason why this is a problem is because we have 250 countries. So we need to run 1, 2, 3, 4 modules. Actually, it's 1, 2, 3 modules 250 times, right? So we get the range of values, and what this means is, let's wait for it to load. So what this does, it goes to the country sheet and it finds all the countries and it puts them in an array. So you see the range is B2 to B251. So basically all the values in the B column, right? And it puts all those values in an array. So then we can use an iterator on that array to iterate through all the countries. Now, every time we have a new country in the array, we call this module, which finds the current numbers for that specific country, right? So you see the value is passed in from the iterator, which is the current country we're on the array, and we call the module in order to find the current values of that specific country. Now, the next thing we need to do is search the countries sheet in order to find the row for that country, right? So we go to the country sheet, we search it and try to find the country we're currently on, right? And we do that by passing in the value of the iterator, which is the current country we're on. And then once that row is found, we need to update that row with the values we extracted from this module. So as you can see, we have the row we extracted from this module, and now we need to update all the values of that row with the values we obtained from this module. And this basically adds all the values in the row. Correct? So basically we're running this section right here 250 times. This is free. This is one operation, this is one operation, this is one operation. So that's a total of 3 operations per country times that by 250, we have a total of 750 operations per update, right? I'm not gonna count these ones because this is literally just 1, 2. It's only two operations per every single time we run this whole thing. So I'm not gonna count those, but this is 750 operations per run. So what that means is that if we're updating this app every hour, right? That's 18,000 operations per day, right? And because Integromat is charging about $9 per 10,000 operations, that's going to be a total of about $18 to $15 a day to run this app and update it, right? So it is a little bit expensive, especially if this project is not sponsored by anyone. So yeah, guys, this is the reason why I didn't end up creating the app. Now, if you're watching this video and you have some ideas on how I can make this more efficient and cut down on the operations, please let me know in the comments below. This can be a challenge for all of us to try and solve this. Also, if Integromat is watching this video and they want to help out and they want to sponsor this workflow right here in order to help me complete the app, please message me. I'll be very happy to work with you and create an awesome video to show how powerful your new module is. Other than that, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'm gonna keep you updated on the progress and let you know if I have any updates, if I do anything new on this app. But yeah, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, any suggestions, any ideas, let me know, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.